and welcome to Hobaan Books, where imagination is fostered. This book we are reading today is written by Diane Curtis and pictures by Doug Cashman. It is called Monster Baby. One Saturday morning, Master Oliver padded to the door of his farmhouse to fetch the newspaper. But instead of news, he found a basket covered with a blanket that seemed to be wiggling. Wah, wah, wah! Miss Oliver came running. Glory, husband, someone left a baby on our doorstep. On the blanket, there is a little note stuck on it that says, please give our dear baby a good home. We cannot take care of him. Well, of course we will give you a good home, cooed Miss Oliver. We will, said her husband. Our wish has come true. After all these years, we have been blessed with a child. All I wanted, Master Oliver said, was the morning news. Miss Oliver's hand shook as she pulled away the blanket. The baby was a tiny thing, sucking one fist, looking like any other newborn, except for the fur, the tail, the pointy teeth, and the purple horns. Oh, sputtered Master Oliver, it's not a baby, it's a baby monster. His wife lifted the bundle and cradled it in her arms. Well, I think he's the most beautiful baby in the world, and he's ours, she sang, tra-la-la, tra-la-la, all ours. Miss Oliver spent the morning sewing diapers for Ollie, and Master Oliver fashioned a lemon crate into a cradle until he could build a proper one. Then he notified Sheriff Grady, but no one seemed to be looking for purple-horned baby with a fur, pointy teeth, and a tail. Sheriff Grady rode out to the farmhouse to officially proclaim the Oliver foster parents. Miss Oliver was thrilled. Master Oliver wondered why no one seemed to notice that his new son did not look like any other baby in town. At noon, Miss Oliver made jammies for Ollie. She carried them to the pantry, which Master Oliver had turned into a nursery. Glory, husband, come quickly. Master Oliver did not like to be disturbed while pruning his berries, but he rushed to the nursery to see what all the fuss was about. Our baby has grown, she said. Master Oliver waited, but his wife did not comment on how odd it all seemed. So he fetched a wheelbarrow to fashion into a large cradle. Listening, I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I did. You can find this funny book in your local libraries. Have a nice day.